ElevenLabs right now and checked out the sound effects portion of the page, and you typed the prompt, that it would give you something like this. I prompted it to say kids choir singing. This sound effects voodoo is fabulous, ElevenLabs. Let's see what it does there.
This sound effects voodoo is fabulous, ElevenLabs.
Here's another one where I said,
This is freaking fabulous, ElevenLabs.
if you go down to this one, check this out. If I do the last one, that was pretty cool.
This sound effects voodoo is fabulous, ElevenLabs.
Interesting. And here's another one where I put a woman singing I Think I Love You, I Do, Broadway style. Now, I didn't believe it was Broadway style, but I want you to hear what it sounds like.
I think I love you, I do. I think I love you, I do. I think I love you, I do. I think I love you, I do.
And ladies and gentlemen, I believe we have ElevenLabs working behind the scenes to train the algorithm to produce music and other things, not just sound effects.